If you've been scouring the internet for ways to make money online, you're likely going about wealth building all wrong. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell for more. The endless search for quick riches through dropshipping, affiliate marketing, day trading, or online surveys often leads to frustration and disappointment. The hard truth: most people who set out to make money online never build real, lasting wealth. Why? Because they focus on tactics rather than long-term strategies. They chase money instead of creating real value. If you truly want to be rich, you need to shift your mindset from making money to building wealth. Here's how. 1. The trap of quick money schemes. The internet is filled with courses, gurus, and ads promising you can make thousands overnight with little effort. The reality: these opportunities often require extensive time, skill development, or upfront investment. More importantly, they fail to build real assets that generate sustainable income. If making money online were as easy as clicking a few buttons, everyone would be rich. But instead, most people jump from one scheme to another, never gaining real traction. The cycle continues until they either burn out or realize that wealth requires a different approach. 2. Shifting from money making to wealth building. Instead of chasing money, focus on creating long-term value. Money is a byproduct of solving problems and providing value to people. The wealthiest individuals in the world didn't make money online, they built businesses, products, or brands that people genuinely need. Here are a few ways to shift your focus. Think long-term. Wealth is built over years, not weeks. Avoid get-rich-quick tactics and focus on sustainable business models. Build assets, not gigs. Stop trading time for money. Create digital products, invest in real businesses, or build brands that generate passive income. Develop high-income skills. Instead of chasing money, develop skills that make you valuable in the marketplace. Copywriting, sales, coding, or marketing can pay dividends for life. 3. Building real online businesses. The internet is an incredibly powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. Rather than trying to make money online, use the internet to build real, scalable businesses. Here are a few proven ways. Start a content-driven business. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or podcasting, providing valuable content can attract an audience and generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Create and sell digital products. Online courses, templates, software, and ebooks allow you to sell solutions at scale with minimal overhead. E-commerce and brand building. Rather than generic dropshipping, create a unique product or brand that people love and trust. Leverage freelancing to fund bigger goals. Freelancing isn't passive, but it can help you fund more scalable ventures while you build skills. 4. The importance of financial intelligence. Most people who chase online money-making tactics don't understand wealth. Financial literacy is just as important as making money. If you don't know how to manage, invest, and multiply your money, you'll always be chasing the next opportunity. Here's what you should focus on: investing wisely. Learn about stocks, real estate, or business investments that can grow your wealth over time. Managing cash flow. Understand where your money is going, cut unnecessary expenses, and reinvest profits into scalable assets. Scaling smartly. Use your online income to build businesses, not just to fund a lifestyle. 5. Mindset. The key to wealth. Wealthy people don't think like average people. They don't chase cash, they chase value creation. If you adopt the mindset of a wealth builder instead of a money chaser, your actions will change. Think bigger. Stop looking for small wins and start planning for long-term wealth. Be patient. Success doesn't come overnight, but consistent effort compounds. Invest in yourself. Courses, mentorships, and books can provide the knowledge to build real wealth. Conclusion: stop making money. Start building wealth. If you've been jumping from side hustle to side hustle, it's time to rethink your approach. Forget about just making money online. Instead, focus on building valuable skills, solving real problems, and creating scalable businesses. Wealth isn't about how much money you can make today, it's about how much you can create over a lifetime. Stop chasing money. Start building wealth. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on game-changing insights. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest online money-making myth you've fallen for? Remember, wealth isn't made overnight. It's built over time. See you in the next video.